Roasted duck. To make roasted duck, select the poultry button from the main screen. Select roasted duck to start the cooking process. Once roasted duck is selected, the settings appear on the screen. The first setting is with or without. With is using the core temperature probe, and without is cooking on time. Your next selection is browning level. You have the option from light to dark. Once your selections have been made, you can use the Save button and name your product and save this recipe. It'll be added to your program list. After the cooking is complete, you have 3 additional cooking options. You can hold the product, you can add additional cooking time, and your third option is to start an entirely new batch without needing to preheat. The process steps for roasted duck are: first you make your selections, then the unit will preheat, indicated by the bar at the bottom of the screen. Once the preheat is complete, the unit will indicate to load. Then it will indicate that you need to use the core temperature probe. Probe the product, close the door, and the cooking process will begin. An information page will appear on the screen showing you the temperature in the cabinet and also the humidity. Whenever your roasted duck is complete, you have 3 additional options if needed.